Why does Cam Skattebo often make those strange yelling sounds? No one knows he's been using those sounds to hide a medical condition. It turns out Cam Skattebo suffers from an illness that causes recurring, intense physical pain. When it flares up, the sharp muscle and joint pain becomes almost unbearable. As a tough football player, he refuses to show weakness in public, and he definitely doesn't want to be labeled as injury-prone, which could impact his career. So he uses those unusual yelling sounds to mask his body's reaction during pain episodes. When the pain hits, the yelling becomes a way to release it, both distracting him from the discomfort and making others believe it's just a normal part of his behavior. During training, he endures severe pain through high-intensity drills, his shouts blending into the noise of the practice field. On game day, he fights through every play with clenched teeth, his sounds drowned out by the roar of the crowd. No one would ever guess that the warrior they see battling on the field is also silently fighting against a hidden illness, the strength and helplessness buried inside